can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Hey you guys, welcome to day, I don't know what day it is of 12 days. Like I don't know what day this vlog will go up, but basically to another vlog. It's 12 days of Christmas. So it is morning time. It is 20 to 11 basically, and I'm quickly stopping to grab a bite to eat. You guys, I'm so hungry. I'm so tired. You have no idea. Like literally I'm so tired. Thursday edition is launching tomorrow, but for me that is tomorrow, Thursday, 10 a.m. Namibian time, but for me that would be 3 a.m. New York time. So I'm very tired. I've been working on that. I've been doing my actual job, and I have another meeting soon, and I just wanted to grab food. I've been actually up since about 6 a.m. today, just working and stuff. Guys, balance is so hard. I don't know what possessed me and made me think that I could launch a business, launch 12 days of Christmas, my Christmas blog content, and do the job that pays me and still feel like a person. Like I've been eating like crap. My house, if you guys can see in the background, is a mess. Also, my husband has been working like ridiculous work shifts. Like he's been working 16-hour days. So he's also just been so tired and so busy. He actually got off this morning, so he's taking a nap because he actually still has to go in for work later. So it's crazy, but it's fine. I'm doing this thing that I learned from a girl that I follow on Instagram, where she essentially divides her businesses into shifts. So like for me, I have 4 shifts. My main shift is my day job, my 9 to 5. So that's strictly 9 to 5 or 9 to 6, or whatever the case may be. Then before that, in the morning, I have my second shift, which is my Thursday edition. So ideally I like to wake up earlier in the morning and just work on that, or work on it late at night after I knock off from the main shift. My third shift is my blog and my YouTube, so that I usually do on like weekends, pretty much weekends, just because now that it's winter, there's not much light. Like the sun comes up at 7 in the morning, and by that time I already have to start getting ready to go to work. So there's not much light in terms of doing content, unless I'm like editing or whatever, because then I can edit at any time. And then my fourth shift is another business, which is still, it's not that deep, but I do need to work on it. But that's like a lunchtime kind of vibe. It's something very minimal. It's very passive, let me say. So that's how I been splitting everything up. It's very tiring, but it's working. So like today I had 2 shifts. I had the second shift, which is Thursday edition. I had that from about 6:30 until 8:30, and then I took a quick shower, and then I had work from 9 o'clock, and it's still now work time. I'm quickly just having a break to quickly eat something, and then I'm continuing at 11:30. Yeah, but it's insane, you guys. I can't believe I'm launching. Hey, like, you guys, everything that you'll see on the website is me. Like literally I did everything. I have had this vision since 2014. Actually, let me also eat while I talk, because my food is getting cold. I've had this vision since 2014, and it just never was the right time. I had in 2014 approached my late brother about it, and at the time he had dissuaded me, and at the time I was irritated, but I realize now that he was right, because I don't think back then the Namibian market was ready for like the online space, but now so much has changed, and I think that's definitely a changed concept, and everyone does shop online. So yeah, so this has been in the works for a very long time, but I actively started working on it last year, June-ish, like around the time of my wedding. Actually, before my wedding, it was like one of the things that I did that sort of took away the stress of wedding planning. And then in June, I remember one day I had taken a nap in the afternoon, and when I woke up from that nap, I had the name in mind, Thursday edition. And that was it. It was so funny because I was trying to do the most to start this business, but at the same time I was planning a wedding. But ultimately I decided, okay, focus on the wedding, let's do Thursday edition afterwards. But then obviously after the wedding we went straight into moving and everything like that. But then last year when my brother passed, and I mean, I think a lot of you guys on here know me personally, or like Namibia is just that small, we know of each other, and a lot of people also knew my late brother. Like, you know, he was like a serial entrepreneur. Like, he always had a business plan. Like, he was always finding a way of making money or something like that. And so when he passed, that sort of gave me the real kick that I needed to like make this thing happen, and really just do it in his honor and stuff. No. And so yeah, last year by the time I left home in November, after, so literally when we came, these are the things that I was thinking about last year. So when I came back, I had already like registered the company, and then so that's when I started. And I mean, I was gonna take my time. My idea was to launch next year, and only because I didn't have money for everything. Like, I wanted to raise the money over this year and then launch. But then COVID hit, and then I was like, you know what, tomorrow is not guaranteed. I had a lot of time on my hands, and I realized that it would be a shame to not use it. And I decided to just go for it and use whatever resources I had at my disposal. So I had money for like the merchandise and a few other things, but for example, I couldn't afford a graphic designer. I actually had used a very popular Namibian graphic designer for my logo and stuff, and I mean, she delivered a logo, but that process was just so disappointing that for me that was such a disappointing customer experience that I kind of just like regarded that money as sunk costs, and I moved on. And then I pretty much sort of redesigned my logo myself. Am I going in and out of focus? Redesigned the logo myself, got on Shopify, did everything myself. I didn't have a website developer. I basically learned on the job. And I mean, that's why I know my site is not perfect. You know, it's not Fashion Nova by any standards. It's not, you know, even our photography, I didn't have budget for a photographer. I had budget to either book a photographer or book studio space. I couldn't afford to do both. And so I chose to do studio space, and then my husband helped me take the photos. Or you guys saw in my one vlog, I did the photos here in my living room. And ultimately, I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so it did really get to me that everything wasn't looking as like how I wanted it to be perfect. But also at some point I realized that this is my perfection right now. This is my launch moment. And I have to just launch, because otherwise, like, you know, it will never be perfect enough. So I just was like, I'm gonna do it. And so I kind of just pushed for that, and so that's why I'm launching tomorrow. And I've given myself this very ambitious goal that in a year's time I'm gonna rebrand and get a professional to do everything, because I have faith that I'm putting out a good product, and I know the people that, you know, that I'm targeting, and like the people that would buy these things. So I know that in a year's time, by the grace of God, I will be able to afford a designer, a graphic designer, a website developer, all of that stuff, and everything will look as professional. I'll definitely have more inventory, but really for now, this is my launch pad. And I really think for me this was a lesson in sort of like faith, knowing that God had put this vision to do this thing that I'm so passionate about on my heart for so long ago, and that now it's the best time to launch it, even though in my heart it doesn't feel necessarily like the best time to launch it because there's so many things that aren't in place. But I have to trust that this is the moment because he has said it is, and so I'm going forward. And I'm just so grateful for all the love and support people have. Y'all, I can't believe I'm getting emotional talking about this, but I've just put in so much work. All the support and like positivity people have shown towards the brand, even before people knew what it was, that just, I think that blew my mind. That blew my mind. Wow, who is the girl? She's crying. But you know, and just also like all my friends and like people who have stepped in to help me. Like I've reached out to so many people to get their opinions, to get their input, and they've just willingly gave up their time. And I think, I don't know, I'm like my brother. I've launched a couple of businesses before, but I've never felt like this about something. Like I feel so nervous yet so excited. But yeah, Thursday edition, make sure you grab a piece. Everything is limited edition, honey. And I'm so excited. Like I'm already working on our next drop and our next collection, which is gonna be even more fire. So I'm so excited, you guys, so excited, feeling so blessed that I get to do this. And I feel I've been talking for a very long time now. But yeah, I need to finish eating. I actually, on the couch over there, well, it's there but you guys can't see, I actually got my Fashion Nova order. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but you guys, I bought jeans on Fashion Nova during Black Friday. They had like a 70 to 80% off sale. And I think you guys know this by now. Like I only shop when it's a sale, like legit. I mean, like I literally through the whole year, I went through the year with 2 pairs of jeans, and I bought one, but it's like a white jean, so it's like I don't wear it very often. I literally had 2 pairs of jeans and I just refused to buy them. Like I knew what I wanted, but I just refused to buy anymore because I'm just like not at full price. And so Fashion Nova, when they had their sale, I got some, like I got like 5 pairs of jeans, you guys. So that I'll actually show you guys that in a little bit. Though actually I wanted to wait till, I'll probably do it later because Yom also wanted to see the jeans that I got, so I'll probably just try them on one time when he's awake. But yeah, I'm gonna finish eating and I will catch up with you guys later. Hey you guys, so I'm quickly gonna do the Fashion Nova haul because Yom quickly woke up, so I'm quickly doing it. Okay guys, so these are the first, oh my drink is in the way, first pair of jeans. They're skinny jeans. They're called the Heaven Sent skinny jeans, and they're nice. Like, look at my butt. I actually like them. They actually fit really, really well.
Yeah, nice.
They're very comfortable too. But, right?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the, oh, I love these ones. These are a high-rise pair of mom jeans. They've got the distressed look. Oh, I really like these ones, hey? I love, the only thing is I'll probably only wear them, like, to be honest, in the summer, because this
white tights on the
like it's cold, sir. So I think that's
a few people in the train.
Yeah, maybe they're walking straight from the train into the building that they're going into. They don't have to walk 5 minutes like I do. Okay guys, so this is also another pair of mom jeans that are also distressed, super cute. I think I really like the light wash. Like either I'll do a light wash or black, but I don't think that dark blue does me justice. I like the fit as well, super cute. Yes guys, yes, snatch me.
I like that.
Snatch me, Fashion Nova. This is just a plain pair of high-rise skinny jeans. So perfect for like everyday vibes. Yeah. Wear it with a white shirt, you know, tuck it in, t-shirt, whatever you want to do.
You're working with that.
Okay. And then this is the final one, guys. This is a jegging, so it's not really jeans, but it's a jegging, obviously, that looks like denim, whatever. Also the light wash, bam, very comfortable fit. Like, see the stretch. So comfortable, actually. Okay. Hey guys, so it's much later, done with work, and I'm about to start cleaning this living room slash kitchen. I wish I could show you guys, but I feel like I'm slightly embarrassed. You guys will see. I'll speed clean. It's a mess, hey, but it's fine. I'm about to clean now. I want everything nicely clean, packed away. I need to throw out some boxes and stuff, and then hopefully tonight or later, yeah, afterwards, we can decorate. Basically, guys, see, can you imagine? We can decorate our Christmas tree, because that needs to be done. Yom just hasn't been around because of work and stuff, so we really haven't gotten around to it. So hopefully we can do that today and get it out of the way. But now your girl's gonna clean and tidy up and organize. So let's go.
All the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming.
Hey guys, so it is so late. I'm so sleepy, but it's basically about 30 minutes to my launch, and I'm so tired, so I think I'm gonna go nap, put an alarm for 30 minutes and come back. I'm so sleepy. I got back from my dinner not so long ago, but I was hoping to be able to stay awake till the launch, because it's launching on Namibian time, which is 7 hours ahead of New York time, so that's a good night's sleep. So I'm super exhausted, but yeah, I'll catch up with you guys, I hope later, depending on how I feel when I wake up for the actual launch. Hey you guys, so it is me the very next day. I feel like the last time I spoke to you guys I was so tired and sleepy, trying to stay up to launch, but officially launched. Yeah, excited. I'm so glad that that's out of the way, and you know, I can now focus on building my client base and, you know, just gaining that market share, I suppose. I don't know, but yeah, I came on here to say that I'm so sorry, I didn't close out the vlog properly, so that's what I'm here to do. I've just been trying to sort out content slash work. The year is winding up, so it's like meetings here and there sparsely, but trying to wind that up. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. That's it. Please make sure you subscribe and let me know how you're enjoying 12 days of Christmas.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.